Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Roswell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. I am bringing this week's Showcase Home of the Week to you, and it is located at 1136 Adele. It is a 3 bedrooms with a 4th flex. You can use it as an office or a bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1 half bath. It is 2,408 square feet. It was built in 2019. They're asking $549,900. They're having an open house this Saturday from 11 to 5. Guys, this is a beautiful contemporary home with very high-end fixtures and finishes. You've got to come check it out this Saturday. Let's walk this house. So you come into this gorgeous contemporary home. They have all the high, tall, thin contemporary doors. I love the wood floors in this home, the light color of them. Everything has been accented in black with all the hardware. You have this open concept here with a living room, dining room, and this gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. I mean, guys, would you want to entertain in this or what? You have a 5-burner gas cooktop. You have the undermount wide sink. You have the large oversized island with a wine refrigerator, plenty of space, built-in oven and microwave. This is an absolute chef's dream to cook in. Very high ceilings, tons of light, patio doors that open out into the backyard. It is a small backyard, but it's perfect for living in the city and not having to worry about all of the maintenance. Love all of the windows that just let all the light shine in. So you come up the stairs, and the thing I love about this home as well is this master retreat. This is a master retreat. Double sinks, beautiful bathtub. You have the walk-in shower that is here. Gorgeous. All the contemporary designs. Absolutely beautiful. Then you walk down the hallway. You have the first closet, all high-end finishes, tons of space. Then you have the second closet, again, all high-end wood finishes. And then you go into the master, and you have tons of light, a private balcony. You have the great tray ceiling. This is just a beautiful master bedroom. So guys, what did you think? Is this a beautiful contemporary home or what? I love all the contemporary upgrades and fixtures that are in this home. Come check them out this Saturday from 11 to 5 during their open house. Don't forget, if you'd like to see this home or any other additional homes, my information is at the end of this video. There's also the interactive map below that'll show you all the other homes within the Heights that are having open houses. And I will see you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.